Not everyone knows that the fastest creature on the planet is not a cheetah, and not even a hare. We present to your attention interesting facts about animals. So, the creature that is the fastest of all living things on the planet is the peregrine falcon. It belongs to the falcon family, and in size is approximately equal to the ordinary grey crow. The peregrine falcon is unique in that it can reach speeds of over 322 km per hour. Can you just imagine? Because it is about 90 meters per second. No wonder that such a falcon gets its food, in principle, without any problems, because no creature on the planet can run away with such speed or fly away from a predator, even under pain of death. But there is an important clarification here. Despite the fact that the peregrine falcon is officially considered the fastest creature on the entire planet, in the air, on land, and in the sea, it ranks first not in horizontal flight, but in vertical flight. In terms of ordinary forward movement, the peregrine falcon is ahead of the swift bird, which reaches 110 km per hour. The peregrine falcon is an amazingly diverse bird, counting more than 15 subspecies. This raptor hunts in much the same way as other falcons. It stalks prey in high places or glides leisurely in the sky. As soon as he finds his prey, the peregrine falcon rises slightly and then dives down at a 90-degree angle at a speed of about 300 km per hour. No wonder that even relatively large prey's head simply flies off from the powerful blow with the paws pressed to the body. As a rule, these falcons hunt medium-sized birds or small mammals. Now you know for sure that the fastest creature on the planet is the peregrine falcon. Subscribe to the channel. We have lots of interesting facts from around the world.